Welcome to Herb Nerd TV, your ultimate source for advanced herbal knowledge. Today, we're delving into the intriguing world of calendula. Calendula, scientifically known as Calendula officinalis, is a remarkable herb deeply rooted in traditional medicine and revered for its potential benefits for skin health, wound healing, and immune support. Let's explore the advanced aspects of this extraordinary herb. Calendula has a long history of use in traditional herbal medicine, particularly in Europe and the Mediterranean region. It is known for its vibrant orange and yellow flowers and the medicinal properties of its petals. Calendula contains bioactive compounds, including flavonoids, carotenoids, and essential oils, that contribute to its impressive properties. In terms of skin health, calendula is believed to have potential benefits for various skin conditions. It is traditionally used to soothe and heal irritated or damaged skin, including minor wounds, cuts, burns, and rashes. Calendula's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties may help reduce redness and inflammation, promote the regeneration of skin cells, and support overall skin wellness. Furthermore, calendula is valued for its potential wound healing properties. It is often used topically to promote the healing of wounds and support tissue repair. Calendula's bioactive compounds, such as triterpenoids and flavonoids, may help stimulate collagen production, enhance blood flow to the affected area, and support the formation of healthy granulation tissue. Moreover, calendula is known for its potential immune-supporting effects. It is believed to have immunomodulatory properties, helping to regulate and balance immune responses. Calendula's bioactive compounds, including polysaccharides and flavonoids, may help enhance immune cell activity, promote the production of cytokines, and support overall immune health. Additionally, calendula is believed to have potential antioxidant activity. Antioxidants play a crucial role in neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body, which can cause oxidative stress and contribute to the development of chronic diseases. Calendula's carotenoids and flavonoids contribute to its antioxidant properties, helping to protect cells from oxidative damage and support healthy aging. Calendula can be prepared as a tea, infused oil, or incorporated into topical formulations such as creams, ointments, or salves for skin health. It is important to use calendula products from reputable sources and follow recommended usage guidelines. We hope this advanced exploration of calendula has expanded your understanding of its remarkable properties. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more advanced herbal insights. We eagerly await your comments and suggestions for future topics. What other herbs or advanced herbal remedies would you like us to explore? Share your thoughts in the comments below.